Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video on Ethereum. In this video I'll try to talk about everything you need to know about Ethereum in terms of what can happen today, what can happen next week, what to expect. Before that we'll talk about some fundamentals, especially some economic fundamentals regarding crypto and therefore also Ethereum. And we'll talk about technicals, of course. I mean, technically not a lot has happened in the last 24 hours. So technically the situation right now is still the same as the video I made yesterday. So if you think, all right, well, I still know that and I don't need to hear it again, then click away because it will be a repetition of that. I do want to add on to some things regarding the fundamentals and some claims on what we'll do today in terms of price movement. But that's about it. So before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. But now onto Ethereum. So first of all, I mean, the technical situation right now is still the same. We have this resistance level right here around 1940. It ranges from 1920 up to 1940. And I would say our main support right now is around 1860. Now, right now, I mean, the volume has still dropped down quite significantly. The volume is quite low at this point in time. It's around 2% of the market cap. I expect that to sometime today start to go up. Right now, up until now, it has only gone down. But usually what you see is that Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening, Monday morning, kind of that transition period, volume starts to go up and we get more direction and more movement and momentum in the markets. So that's what we're waiting for, and I do think that that momentum will cause us to get some sort of a breakout. Now then the question obviously is will that be a bullish breakout above 1940 or somewhat more of a bearish breakout down to 1820? And as I said yesterday as well, in my eyes, the more likely scenario is that we will have somewhat of a bullish breakout or bullish momentum. I expect that for Bitcoin too. Now, Ethereum has been a little bit weaker than Bitcoin over the last week at least. So for Ethereum, I mean, we haven't touched 1940 in a couple of days. I think we'll get up there. I'm not sure if Ethereum will break above that, but I do think so. I think Ethereum can break above 1940 and slowly get up towards 1995 and 2000. I think that's the most likely scenario, and the main reason for that is because we have the interest rate decision and a press conference about it next week. Now, what we saw the last couple of weeks, what we saw the last 2 months or so, is that we expect something bullish out of this because all of the economic results have been pointing towards less inflation. So we expect some remarks here in the press conference, especially, that are bullish for crypto. Now, what we've seen in the last couple of weeks is that bullish momentum, like for example, this move right here was before, or this move right here, I'm not sure, but we got some bullish momentum here as well before the inflation rate, and then we didn't move when the inflation rate actually came out. That's also what I expect for Ethereum. So I think we can expect bullish momentum from that transition period between Sunday and Monday. And as I said, I mean, excuse me, I almost have to sneeze. As I said, I'm not sure if we can break above 1920 and 1940 because Ethereum has not been as strong as Bitcoin, which I do expect to have a bullish breakout. But I would say it's the most likely scenario. So that's what I expect until that time. Before we get that momentum, I think we'll just stay in that consolidation. But for now, that's what I think is going to happen. That's my take on it, and that's my analysis. So thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.